and welcome. Are you interested in waterproofing with injection resins and wonder what the difference is to other products you may know? Normally, you have products that consist of 2 or more components. And if your employees do not keep the mixing ratio and make a mistake, the resin does not cure properly, and all the work was for nothing. It is much worse if your employees take a break, smoke a cigarette, or do not pay attention to the processing time. Then, in the worst case, the pump is clogged, and there are high repair costs, and the work cannot be finished that day. This is not only very annoying, but also quickly leads to a negative margin. The great thing about our product is that it is only one component, which makes it super easy to work with and eliminates mixing and application errors. It is functionally safe and only reacts in the wall and not in your pump. It also temperature independent, so you don't have to worry about reaction times, no matter how hot or cold it is. If you use other waterproofing products with defined reaction times, you have also to spend more time cleaning and maintaining the pump equipment, and of course, every time you flush, use detergent and waste the resin that was in the pump. This increases the costs and lowers the margin. As a result, and this is important for us business owners, the site finishes faster and the margin per meter is higher. Simply put, you make more money. If you are now curious, I would like to introduce you to our Integral family. All Integral resins are ready to use and do not need to be mixed. Here are the differences. Product number 1. This valuable Integral is called 575. It was the first product in this range and is by far the most popular. What makes Integral 575 so special? The swelling effect. This means that after the reaction, it increases its volume when it comes in contact with water. We call this the automatic repair effect. Where rigid resins tear, an elastic resin follows the movement, a swellable resin seals defects actively and it repairs itself. Product number 2. The hydroactive resin is called 620 Integral. It is a foam, but no water stop foam. Hydroactive means that it injects itself. Think of it like this. You inject up to point A and then the resin creeps on by itself to point B or point C. It injects itself and fills fine cracks and pores. In this process, the microfoam is so fine that it is absolutely waterproof. Product number 3. The classic is called like its big brother, Hydroblock 510, but with the addition of Integral. It is a classic water stop foam, no longer need to be mixed, so no more smelly accelerators for you and your team. Product number 4. The elastic Integral 600 is super elastic, slightly hydroactive and yet waterproof for a stretchy filling without swellability. If this convinces you, use Integral resins for your waterproofing work in the future. My team and I look forward to meeting up with you. My name is Michaela Müller-Kaya.